Hey everyone. So I'm going to try something a little different. I talked about it in a couple of other videos and we're going to give it a go today. So first I'm going to lay white down on my canvas. This is a 10 by 20. My white is Acrylic Flow mixed with Craft Smart white paint, Floetrol water. The usual. So I'm covering the canvas with white first. I already see it clumpy. I found some tweezers. My husband was joking around with me. I gotta show you this. I'm always saying someone stole my tweezers because I've had I don't know how many pair out here. So he gave me a pair. Do you think them will work? They're huge. But he says, if they steal them, you'll find them. Which is true. So I need some more white. So I had sold this painting like I want to try again already. It was one of the first ones I sold, actually, to one of my son's friends. And it was hard to let that painting go because I almost was going to keep that one for myself. But all I did was a flip and drag, but I dumped all the paint at one end and brought it down a little bit. So you can hang it vertical instead of horizontal. Just double check. It's hard to see them. I think I got it. Okay. Because most of my paintings are horizontal. Well, I'd say probably 90% of them. Once in a while I get a couple of 10 by 20s that I can hang vertical. My dirty pours especially. Alright, so once you get your white down, then you're going to go ahead and mix your cup. So I'm going to use more paint than usual. I'm probably going to use at least half a cup of paint instead of just a quarter. So I'm going to spray it first with the WD-40 silicone spray to release the paint. If you don't rub it in, you'll get some cells, but they're not the kind of cells that you get with treadmill silicone. So if you're just starting out, go ahead and invest in a heavier silicone and use something like this for your cups. Alright. So I'm going to lay black in first. And then I'm going to go ahead and add phthalo green. This is a Grumbacher phthalo green. And then I'm going to add a little bit of the Craft Smart Sea Mist Pearl. And a little bit more black. And just a little bit more phthalo green. Okay, that should be good. So that gives me, well, a little more than a third of a cup of paint. And this is a 5-ounce cup. Alright. I'm just getting the stuff out of the way. I got way too much stuff on here today. I need that. So I'm just going to give it a little swirl to blend the color. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to lift the canvas part way, and we're going to dump the cup right at the top. And once that paint hits the bottom, hits the canvas, we're going to release some paint and then we're going to drag. So I'm releasing some paint and then I'm going to drag the rest of it down. So I have very little when I get to the end. Just like that. So what I want to do is stretch this here more than here. And what'll be easy with the airbrush to fill that out too. I'm just letting it rest for a minute. There's a lot of black there. I could have probably got away with not using so much black. You don't know till you try. Okay, you can see I'm paying more attention to the top area than I am to the rest. It's a little heavy there, so I may have to move some of that. But before I move it, I definitely want to get the color off the end of my cup and grab some white. And I'm just going to grab it here and bring it down like that. And the same with the other side. Okay. See a little spot here. And it's okay to have a few drifters coming out. It makes it a little more feathery. Alright, so now I'm just going to airbrush, but I'm really going to pay attention to up here because I want more to come out this way. So we're going to push this way off. This way you can hang it vertical instead of horizontal. Now I'm just touching these edges because I really don't want them out too far. There's a lot of black there. Turn it around. We're going to do the same thing on this side. Touching the edges. Oh, that black is just too much there, isn't it? It's like you put too much paint on me. Let me hit it with the torch. But it's nice to have something that you don't have to hang horizontally, because this is going to hang this way now. And that's it, guys. I'm not touching it anymore. If I brought this out here, no, I'm not gonna, because it's just too much black. So I'm gonna leave it just like this. Let me crawl this up here. And that's gonna be it for that one. The cells are pretty. Yep, so I'm not touching it anymore. I got a little shallow spot here that I just noticed. But that's it. So if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click below and click on the little bell next to the subscribe button, and you'll receive a notification when I upload new videos. Click like and share, and you can leave a comment. You can also join me on Facebook at Christina Welch Art, and you can see dried paintings there, and I will let you guys know when I'm uploading new videos. It's just something I'm just starting to do. That way you can plan ahead, maybe get the same colors. Maybe I will start doing that, listing the colors so you can paint along with me. That would be fun. So that's it for this one, and I will see you guys on the next one. Have a great day.